Those little family of field mice that climb up sometimes and they tickle me awfully. They're always trying to get somewhere where they... Many of these trees were my friends. Creatures I had known from nut and acorn.
I'm sorry, Treebeard.
They had voices of their own. Saruman. A wizard should know better. There is no curse in Elvish, Entish, or the tongues of men for this treachery.
Look, the trees. Oh, they're moving.
Where are they going?
They have business with the orcs. My business is with Isengard tonight, with a rock and stone. Come, my friends. The Ents are going to war. It is likely that we go to our doom. Last